Hey everyone, welcome back to Technical Professor. So in this lecture, we are going to understand the most important subject, that is C++ programming. So without further any delay, let's start. So in this lecture, we are going to understand what is C++ programming. So let's get started. So before I start writing code, I want to ask one simple question. Do you think a computer can understand a normal language if I tell my computer? Please calculate the two numbers, whether it will be available to do or not. The computer needs instruction in a language that it can understand. Okay, so this is what their programming language come into picture. And today we are going to understand the most powerful programming language, that is C++. So let's start with some basic question. What is programming? Programming means, what is programming? What is programming? Can anyone tell? Let's Programming means giving instruction to a computer to do specific task. Like, think about making a tea. You don't simply tell someone make tea. Like you normally follow steps like take water, boil water, add tea, add milk, add sugar, boil it, serve it. So in this way, you're making tea. Not like that. Make tea. It means instruction to giving instruction to a computer to perform a task. Yes. Okay. Like like there is problem, step, then program, then output. So remember the simple idea. Program equals to giving instruction to a computer. Okay. So like real life example will be ATM. You have ATM. Okay. And imagine you go to an ATM. You insert your card. Then ATM asks you for PIN. You enter your PIN. Then you select withdraw money. You enter 5,000. The ATM check your amount if you have sufficient balance or not. If it give you the money, the entire process is controlled by software. Like you will insert card, enter pin, check pin, then you select withdrawal, then check balance. If it is available, then dispense money. So in this way, it is also a program that is managed by software. Now, what is C++? plus plus? What is this? C++ plus plus is like a general programming purpose programming language that is based on OOPS concepts. What is OOPS? That is object-oriented programming system. It is widely used for software development, game development, operating system, embedded system, high performance applications, data structure algorithm, competitive programming. These are the use of C++. It is very important because it gives us a good understanding how programs work internally. So now, why you should learn C++? Now you may ask, sir, there are many programming languages. Why we are learning C++? So it's a very good question. There are several reasons. First one is what is first one? Fast. It is so fast. Second, it give control our memory. Third, it support different programming approaches. And most importantly, it is extremely used for DSA and OOPS concepts. If your C++ are strong, other programming language become easier to understand. Now, enough theory, let's do practical. Let's do practical. Let's go to the computer screen. So we are back to the computer screen. So let's try. So we write first program, that is hashtag include iostream. Then using namespace std. Then int main. Then we write cout. We using namespace std because we have for including cout and cin. iostream stands for input output stream. Like you will include like output function that is cout and cin for taking input from anything like that. Like cout hello world. So you can say that hello world is printed successfully. Okay. So now we are going to understand every everything, like why we included hashtag include iostream. So first line is hashtag remove IOStream. Why are you using IOStream? When you want to print display something on Cout, we use this library. Like think this it is a toolbox. Real life example like if I want to repair a bike, I need a toolbox. Similarly, in C++, we need input and output functionality. I need the appropriate tools. Using namespace std. Now, for now, you don't need to memorize every detail. It allows us to conventionally use C++ and Cout and Cin. Later, when we learn namespace properly, we will understand it in detail. Like main function is the main function of program. That is, the main function is the most important part where program execution begins. Think about a building. There is a there is a gate to be entered. It is also like a main function. Like for example, if we have in university, they have main gate, low gate. So we are entering from main gate. So now you can look at why you are using Cout. Cout is used to display the output on the screen. A real life example will be like I am standing in front of class and I say, "Hello, students." You hear my message. Similarly, Cout send a message to the computer screen. Example like, "Welcome to C++." Look around it. There is semicolon. In C++, many statements are end with semicolon. Think it like full stop in English. For example, you write, "I am a teacher." You will write full stop at the end. So first question will be, suppose I write Cout C++. It is coming on one line. Okay. If you want to, if I want, it should be on next line. But I will use ender keyword. So, okay. Now we are going to understand what is variable. Like it is one of the most important concepts in programming. Imagine your classroom has lockers. Each locker has a name, phone number, a place to store something. Like it is a variable is similar. Variable is a name, location used to store a value. Like variable age and memory will be 20. For example, int age equals to 20. We defined it. Then float marks equal to 87.5. Then character grade equals to a. Int is used for whole numbers. Float is used for decimal numbers. Character is used for single characters. Your age is normally a whole number. Your percentage can contain decimal. Your grade can be represented by character A. Now we are going to understand how I will take input. I will take input through cin that is included in using namespace std and iostream. Like we take an input when we will print it, our age, enter age, then we will print again output. Your age is enter age 45. Your age is 45. So in this way, we will take an output and then input. For example, user enters 21. It will store into scene, then age. The value is stored in variable age. Then your age is 21. Okay. So imagine you are doing an online shopping. You purchase a product of rupee 1000. The program need to store. So product price will be 1000 and quantity equals to 2. Total equal to price into quantity. In C++, you will write like and price. Use you did a shopping of 1000 rupees. Then in how much you will take? You take quantity 2. Then in total equals to price into quantity. Then C out in total will be 2000. If you purchase 3, the quantity, the returns of 1000 rupees, then it will be 3000. So this is a very simple example, but the same idea is must making for larger softwares. Now we are going to learn about operators like addition operator, subtraction operator, modulus operator, division operator. Okay, let's start it. This is a division operator. This is modulus operator. That is A plus B is 13. So what I will use to print into next line to print output on next line. Like first is 10 plus 3, that is 13. 10 minus 3, that is 7. That is 10 by 3, it is 3. And 10 by 10 modulo 3, it is 1 because it gives you remainder. It is modulus operator. Now, suppose you went to the movie theater. If your age is 18 or above, you can watch an adult movie. Otherwise, you cannot. This is a decision. Computer also need to make decision. In C++, we use if. Like if we will declare like int age equals to 20. If age greater than equals to 18 allowed. If I declare age 15, what will be print out? Else not allowed. Okay, this is a if else statement. Now we are going to learn about loop. What are loop? So loops are basically if you are want to tell you have to print hello world 5 times. For that we need loops. It is used loop is used to repeat instruction like uh, simple example. Like I'm writing for int I equals to 1, I less than equals to 5, I plus plus, cout, I'm printing hello world. I have to close this main function. What's the problem? So we have to put space after int variable. Okay, it will print welcome 5 times. If I want to print like it is 2 times, it will print 2 times. Now we are going to understand what is in real life how where we will use loop. Like you wake up early in the morning and you go to the college, attend class, go home. So you are repeating these activities every day. A programming loop does something similar. It repeated execute a set of instructions until the condition becomes false. Okay. Now we are going to understand how to create a function. So let's start it. So this it is the first lecture. Next lecture we are going to understand how to create a function and how to implement all that. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, uh, subscribe my channel and share it to your friends so that they can also learn programming. Thank you so much.